Welcome back to Golden Advisor series. Today, we're going to demystify one of the most essential, and sometimes intimidating, parts of your home, the electrical system. Before we jump in, safety first. Working with electricity can be dangerous, so it's crucial to know your limits and follow basic safety precautions. Electrical safety tips: always turn off the power at the main panel before starting any work. Wear protective gear, like gloves and goggles. Never attempt repairs if you feel unsure to call a licensed electrician. Let's start with your home's electrical panel, also known as the breaker box. This is the central hub for all your home's electrical circuits. Electrical panel overview: main breaker controls the power to the entire house. Individual circuit breakers control power to specific areas or appliances. Labels: make sure all circuits are clearly labeled for quick identification. If you experience a power outage or need to shut off power for a specific area, you'll turn off the corresponding circuit breaker. It's always a good idea to label each breaker with its corresponding room or appliance for future reference. Next, let's talk about ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, outlets. These outlets are designed to protect you from electrical shock by shutting off the power if an imbalance is detected. Where GFCI outlets should be installed: kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor areas, garages, any area near water. Test your GFCI outlets monthly by pressing the test and reset buttons. If they don't respond, it's time to call an electrician. Even with a well-maintained system, electrical issues can still arise. Here are a few common problems you might encounter and how to address them. Common electrical issues: flickering lights. Check the bulb or the fixture connection. If the issue persists, it could be a loose wire or the ballasts on a fluorescent lamp going bad. Tripped breakers. Too many devices running on one circuit can overload it. Unplug some items and reset the breaker. Dead outlets. Could be caused by a tripped GFCI or a faulty outlet. Test and reset the outlet or call a pro. Many of these problems are simple fixes, but if you notice recurring issues like frequently tripping breakers or multiple dead outlets, call a licensed electrician. Improving your home's electrical efficiency is not only good for the environment, but it can also save you money. Here are some simple ways to cut down on your energy usage. Energy-saving electrical tips: replace incandescent bulbs with LEDs. Unplug appliances when not in use. Install a programmable thermostat. Use smart plugs to control power to devices remotely. These small changes can add up to significant energy savings over time, while also making your home more eco-friendly. Remember, not all electrical issues should be handled on your own. If you live in an older home or experience repeated electrical problems, it's best to hire a professional for a thorough inspection. Call an electrician if your home's wiring is outdated. You experience frequent circuit overloads. You need to replace or upgrade major electrical components. With a little knowledge and some basic safety precautions, you can confidently manage your home's electrical system. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll cover plumbing fundamentals every homeowner should know. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips from the Golden Advisor series.